were reported to be mild tremors. We're getting reports of tremors in Bhubaneswar, tremors in Kolkata, tremors in Jamshedpur. More reports of tremors right now that are coming in from eastern India. I don't have official information yet of the scale of the tremors or any official confirmation of these tremors but these are several people are calling us, and this is sort of eyewitness accounts that we are getting of tremors across eastern India. We also heard some tremors across Delhi and NCR region. The moment we have more details on that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to come across to you and keep giving you updates as we move with debate number 2. On debate number 2 on what Kejriwal is doing, Pinky Anand, member of the National Executive of the BJP, she's the advocate of the Supreme Court. She was representing Nitin Gadkari there. Aryaman Sundaram, senior advocate of the Supreme Court. Sankarshan Thakur, roving editor of the Telegraph. Kamal Mitra Chenoy, professor of comparative politics and political theory at JNU. He represents the Aam Aadmi Party. Satyanath Sarangi, social activist from Bhopal. What drama, Mr. Sarangi? Absolute, straightforward, 100% drama by Arvind Kejriwal. You can pay a 10,000 rupee bail bond like you have done for many Aam Aadmi Party supporters and leaders in the past, but no, you want to go to jail so that you get some attention, and maybe attention of the country gets distracted from your performance in the Lok Sabha elections. Mr. Sarangi, let me start with you.
Yeah. Yes, please.
So why this drama, Mr. Sarangi? Won't people see through it?
This is no drama. I think both Arvind and Prashant have clarified why they have taken this position. So, and then now you are creating this drama because you are giving so much media importance to this thing. They've made a position, they've clarified why they are saying this, and why they have chosen this option.
I don't understand this. On the 7th of March, are you actually saying this? Do you believe in what you're saying, Mr. Sarangi, or are you just being a faithful party man? Let's get Aryaman Sundaram, who's chuckling away, and Sankarshan Thakur, who finds your arguments unbelievable. Aryaman Sundaram, this is not drama. It's not for drama that they didn't pay 10,000 rupees bail bond. I want your response here to the Aam Aadmi Party leader from Bhopal at the start of this debate.
All I can say, Arnab, is that the Aam Aadmi politics is getting tediously repetitive. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. Arvind Kejriwal is fast becoming the Hamlet of Indian politics. And if you talk about drama, you can't have more drama than that. Let me say one thing. At the beginning, he protested against the administration. Then when he was in the administration, he protested against any opposition to him. It's almost like the children who used to go for a cricket match and the boy gets out and then he takes his cricket bat and runs home. And after he's out of administration, he's here. Now the latest of it is he's protesting against the laws of the country. I cannot understand this. The Aam Aadmi Party, I believe it's a party which says that the law which applies to the mighty applies to the individual. The law is one and the same. Why does he want special treatment? What was done today was nothing but following the law. He wasn't asked to pay 10,000 rupees. It's a personal bond which anybody who's called to court and a court takes cognizance of an offense is asked to do. Now his only refusal to do so...
No, he says it's a matter of principle.
Hope that he can continue with his Hamlet Act.
He says it's a matter of principle. He says as a matter of principle, I will not pay 10,000 rupees. Yes, principle.
So the matter of principle is that the Constitution of India or the laws of India can be broken the moment you feel it should be broken. It should not be broken. You protested all along and said the laws are not being applied. Let's apply the laws. Let's see, go against corruption, go against this, follow the law of the country. But the moment you're asked to follow the law, suddenly it's a matter of principle.
Absolutely.
I will not follow the law. Oh, come on, this is ridiculous.
I want to understand today where the principle is when he refuses to leave the Chief Minister's house. A story first broken by Times Now about the bungalows which he wanted. Where's the principle there, Kamal Mitra Chenoy?
I do not believe that he is even pretending today to follow any one particular principle. That's why I started by saying he's become the Hamlet of Indian politics. It's always a to be or not to be. Should I do this or should I do that? And very often it's almost like a knee-jerk reaction. Today is apologizing for what he did earlier, which was to have just run away when he found he couldn't govern.
that the Shakespearean references are misplaced. And I think that what Arvind was trying to do was to show that he was fighting against corruption in the defamation case where he was found cognizable, and he was demonstrating against it as people did later. And if you go back, Mr. Aryaman, to the national movement, you know that these things were pretty common at that time. So what Arvind is trying to do and what Aam Aadmi is trying to do is to retrieve some of the
I'm wondering whether you're watching the picture on the television right now, where you are breaking the law even this minute outside Tihar jail, where you're getting into scuffle with the police. And I'm asking you something. Do you, sir, feel that this is perfectly justified and correct? And this is the rule of law which we all believe
anything
does stand in this country.
physical should be avoided as far as possible. But basically,
well, watch the television stream right now.
And it was, and when Section 144 was applied, people moved out. And I don't think any physical damage to any police officer or constable occurred. So I think
I did ask the question today.
Mr. Aryaman, didn't people like Subhash Bose and Ambedkar do this? Did they never protest on the streets? Did they not? Did they not?
Are you comparing this, sir? Are you comparing this to Dr. Ambedkar? Are you comparing that this is a pale,
pale shadow of what they did?
I think I'll let you go on.
It's a pale shadow of what they did. It follows that principle. It is not as strong. It is not as strong.
Shadow.
What are you
not
saying?
A pale shadow.
What on earth are you saying, sir? I may tell you 14 Aam Aadmi Party activists were arrested on the 7th of March following a clash and all that drama because, you know, you're a party that specializes in drama. This is, as I said on top of the news hour today, this is 2-minute noodle politics. You can be decimated. You have lost 96% of your seats. You have lost your deposits, including the Right Honorable Yogendra Yadav lost his deposit in Gurgaon. It is more difficult for Yogendra Yadav to become a serious politician.
Which party is devoid
but in a minute,
of drama?
you see, Yogendra Yadav doesn't have to be a serious politician. He can lose his deposit, but he can do that drama outside.
You have to go to the street.
I am asking today, Pinky Anand, I'm coming to you. Pinky, the question is, why were sureties of 15,000 rupees paid for all the 14,000 Aam Aadmi Party activists arrested when they were clashing outside the BJP headquarters? Where was the principle then? Why were you a principle-less party then? Why were you an unprincipled party then? Tell me that. Why were you so unprincipled that you paid the bail bond?
You're exactly right. The principle applies only when
one person paying the bond makes the whole issue clear. The principle is showed by one person. It's not a mob that will prove the principle.
You require the personal bonds to be furnished, and it's not payment of personal bonds. The law says under 436 CRPC, which incidentally applies to all and sundry, to all common citizens. But Mr. Kejriwal is not an ordinary citizen. He is not an Aam Aadmi. He is some special person who can say today, I give my thumb up at law. I don't care what the law says. I will follow my own dictate, whichever I please, and therefore I will not furnish a bail bond. And on non-furnishing, I will be arrested, and then I'll go outside inside Tihar jail. Then 144 will be imposed, and at that point of time everybody will protest, and then I will say I'm being victimized. For God's sakes, I mean, how far can this anarchism, because that's what Mr. Kejriwal himself uses for himself, that he's anarchical in nature and whatever is done is anarchism. How far can this
Gandhi
be?
Also used the term anarchic for himself.
Right. By taking,
the BJP can't tolerate Gandhi.
Please, I mean, with Mr. Kejriwal trying to take this stand of simple opposition, of simple the judge asked him, will you furnish a personal bond? There is all that is required. He said, no, I will not furnish because I am a matter of principle. I require differential treatment. The court asked him, why, Mr. Kejriwal, are you asking for differential treatment? He said, well, I refuse to furnish a bail bond. I mean, where is the question of Mr. Kejriwal's credibility whatsoever? In the morning, he's trying to form a government. In the afternoon, he's saying, I'm sorry. Then the next day, he goes to the court. In the morning, he says, in principle, I will not give it. That is a canard.
There was no attempt to form a government this morning.
At 4 o'clock, at the 4 o'clock, when the judge was going to pronounce the order, he was asked whether you will furnish the personal bond. He said yes. When the court said 10,000 rupees, there was some argument on the amount, and finally at that point he recanted because he realized it will suit him to go inside jail. So let him be arrested, and then the people will protest, and then they'll say, Aam Aadmi Party is being victimized. 4 seats in Lok Sabha. You've been washed off. It's been washed off and decimated all across the country. It has no credibility. People are fed up. People
Not in Punjab. We've done better than you.
Shows that are being performed. The people, well, take Punjab if you like, but let's go further, shall we? We're talking about the country. You made pretensions. You ran off 49 with 49 positions, 49 days, and you ran off thinking you're going to make national elections. Where did you stand? 430 seats. You got 4 seats.
We didn't run off after we attacked Reliance. You and the Congress ganged up against us.
You are washed off everywhere. And you think,
Baba, change your,
please, you want Congress
that's your daydream.
sometimes against you. That's not the point. Today, Kejriwal takes up opposition to the rule of law as usual. First, he takes opposition to the constitution, to his oath as chief minister, when he sits outside Railway Bhavan and puts the whole country to ransom, the city to ransom. And today, again, he says,
Dharna is a legitimate activity.
Anything else? I'm entitled, not Dharna. We are talking about.
Dharna is a legitimate activity.
Baba, you know, Mr. Kamal Mitra Chenau, what are you saying now? You know, I have to come in, please. You know, 1 second. First of all, you decide. First of all, you decide, Mr. Chenau. You and Satynath Sarangi decide.
Do we have to get your version of what form of dissent is allowed?
No, I am asking you to decide something. Because in the course of the last 10 minutes, you have first compared Arvind Kejriwal to Ambedkar. Then you have compared Arvind Kejriwal to Subhash Chandra Bose.
I didn't compare Kejriwal.
Then you have even compared Arvind Kejriwal to Mahatma Gandhi. And why?
That's because your understanding, which is pitiful, Arnab. It was a comparison of the action, not of the individual, which is very commonplace.
I will tell you what is pitiful. I have great regard for you, sir, as an academic. But I'll tell you what is pitiful today, Mr. Chenau. It is pitiful that after you won only 4 out of 543 seats in the Lok Sabha, and you lost all your seats in Delhi, it is pitiful that you are using this case to be some kind of a reason to come into the limelight. And I can tell you, sir, people have tired of this. This is exactly, and I throw to Sankarshan now, this is exactly what people rejected you for.
Not only once against Gadkari.
You reduced your... No, we have also questioned Gadkari. That's not the issue. The issue is, do you do it in a serious manner? Do you do it in a non-serious manner? Do you reduce yourself to a attention-seeking caricature in Indian politics? That is a thought that you and Mr. Satynath Sarangi are going to have to think about. Sankarshan wants to come in on this. Sankarshan, isn't this exactly what Arvind Kejriwal was rejected for? Then why is he trying it again?
Arnab, I just want to make 2 points and then I'll be done with this. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's comparison with Mahatma Gandhi is probably only slightly better than Arun Jaitley's comparison of Baba Ramdev to Mahatma Gandhi. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has to now decide whether he wants to be a serious politician or he wants to move from drama to drama to drama, from tamasha to tamasha. I mean, what is this? And as Mr. Sarangi said at the very beginning of your program,
Mr. Sarangi,
he has become, as they say in Hindi, footage khane wali party. Why are we giving him so much coverage? Mr. Sarangi was spot on. Why are you focusing the cameras on him? This is the kind of drama that Mr. Kejriwal has copyrighted. He will do it again and again. Can you imagine the audacity of a person who has lost all 7 seats in Delhi, has got decimated all across other than a few pockets in Punjab, to form a government in Delhi? I mean, I would have understood if he had won 3 seats in Delhi and said, okay, fine, I have a mandate here, the voice of the people is coming through, there is a sense of the mandate, I want to form the government in Delhi. 7 seats, 7 out of 7 losses. It's not lost on the people, Arnab, and I think the Aam Aadmi Party should see this. That's all I have to say.
Well, I want the Aam Aadmi Party to respond to it. And Sankarshan, let me say one thing to you, because you spoke about the coverage. When Somnath Bharti, when that episode and the drama happened over 6 or 7 days, Sankarshan, ask yourself at that point of time, the media covered it. But the media began to ask more and more serious questions about what Mr. Arvind Kejriwal was up to. Because then also you'll remember Mr. Arvind Kejriwal thought everyone's very foolish and then started signing files called the cameras, come shoot me signing files outside Railway Bhavan.
I have a response to this, Arnab.
Wait, just one line.
I have a response to this.
Both
I
the
will tell you,
Yeah.
I do not think as many people would have been lying on the streets in front of Tihar jail if there weren't cameras around. I can bet you that.
Well, I can tell you one thing. The people who came there outside Tihar were not spontaneous. It was a very well-crafted attempt to create a kind of situation that the media
Precisely.
gets interested in. But this is 1 day of attention. You see, for 1 day of attention, you lose years of credibility. I just want to know from Mr.
May I
Sarangi.
also say one thing. The question is not one of attention only. The question is of what kind of attention. This is not the kind of attention that even Mr. Kejriwal could have dreamt of. What he would want is sympathy of the people and trying to basically have divisive politics. I think the kind of responses that have been coming today, it is very evident that the people are fed up of this anarchy and chaos that Mr.
You
Kejriwal
see,
seems to indulge in.
you
The
realize how
drama
much,
is over.
you realize, Mr. Sarangi, how much you have fallen today? From 2 years back being seen as earnest, sincere activists, now you are looking like power-hungry political desperados. You are looking like a group of power-hungry political desperados. You realize that,
I
Mr.
think you're
Sarangi?
forgetting that
Absolutely.
I am not in Aam Aadmi Party, and I have
You
clarified
are a
it
supporter
again
of
and
the Aam
again.
Aadmi Party.
Yes, definitely, because that's this party that talks about cleanliness, talks about transparency, talks about accountability.
Oh, please,
That is the reason
talk
why
about today. Talk about today.
And
What's happening today?
yeah, today, what
Mr. Sarangi,
I think today it's a
Mr.
very
Kejriwal
simple
has talked
matter.
about violating law,
It's a very simple
violating
matter.
the Constitution,
All-
asking for differential
all-
treatment, being arrested on that ground.
nothing. See, now you're
There was no
putting
attack on
bringing
the
so many
Constitution.
things and bringing in so many things in the debate. You are portraying Arvind as someone who breaks laws, who commits crimes and stuff like that. It is not that.
Which is what he
All
is.
that is
And
that
runs
has-
away
he
from
is.
governance.
Which is what he is.
You
Which is
think-
what he has
I
done
think-
all through, even
you
as
think-
Chief Minister, Mr. Sarangi. I'd like to remind
regard
you.
for order, no regard for law.
He has copyrighted
You are
breaking the
asking-
law.
we are
Maybe
talking
it's a
about
justified
today.
form of protest, but that is what he has copyrighted. He has not given us governance. What has he done?
Are we talking about today,
Other
or
than
are we
protest
talking
on the
about what
street?
happened before?
Electricity reduction.
No, we are talking about his entire record. He was elected Chief Minister of Delhi. What did he do? He sat on a dharna.
No, 1 second. Mr. Sarangi, can I just make an observation here because you are not getting
There are
the
other
drift
chief
of this,
ministers
please.
who sat on a dharna, Mr. Thakur.
No.
He's not the first one.